Akirekereria ndumiriri ya umuthi ya COVID-19, munini wa minista wa ugima wa mwiri Ndagitari Mwangangi augite maundu maticokereirie ta mutugo na oria Akenya marahuthia mawatho ma kwigitira noguo o muthenya namba ya aria marwarite irambatira.
Things have not gone back to normal. And I'd really request you, members of the Fourth Estate, to partner with us in passing this message. Things are not back to normal. And we do not want to see a situation as we've witnessed in different countries across Europe. So we still need to maintain these containment measures.
Bisheno ironeka wega kumana na maumirira ma umuthi maria mathimitwo guku aria marwarite makiongereka na andu 25 aria ni gatagati ka aria mathimitwo ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24.
We've managed to test 1,012 samples in the last 24 hours. Out of this number, 25 people tested positive for coronavirus. And out of these cases, 15 are from Nairobi, whereas 10 are from Mombasa. The age distribution of the new cases ranges from 6 months to the youngest to 60 to the oldest.
Most of the children tend to be totally asymptomatic. And because children tend to play with other children, they are potentially very good transmitters. So the message today is to ensure that you limit interaction between your children and others.
Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yugite no irathie na mbere kwarira na kurutithia wira mitaratara ya kuhurana na murimu uyu uria uroneka kuhunja matura-ini ma county cia Nairobi na Mombasa makiria ma county iria ingi.
Our teams are continuing with the exercise in areas where we've identified as hotspots. This includes Kawangware, Isili, and Mvita in Mombasa County. The targeted testing is meant to help identify and isolate the infected in order to prevent further transmission.
Ginyagia riu njira cia kwigitira ni gwithamba moko mahinda kwa mahinda, kuhuthira mask hindi ciothe wi muingi-ini na kwaga gukuhaniriria. Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ikiuga bara ino ni ya mundu wothe.